Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen the moon turn deep red? It's an eerie and breathtaking sight, one that has sparked myths, prophecies, and scientific curiosity for centuries. But what exactly causes a blood moon? Is it a sign of the apocalypse, an ancient omen, or just a stunning celestial event? Stick around, because today we're diving into the fascinating world of the blood moon. A blood moon is a name given to a total lunar eclipse, when the Earth moves between the sun and the moon, blocking direct sunlight from reaching the moon. Instead of disappearing into darkness, the moon takes on a reddish hue due to a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering, the same process that makes the sky appear blue and sunsets orange. A blood moon is a name given to a total lunar eclipse, when the Earth moves between the sun and the moon, blocking direct sunlight from reaching the moon. Instead of disappearing into darkness, the moon takes on a reddish hue due to a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering, the same process that makes the sky appear blue and sunsets orange. Normally the moon reflects sunlight and appears bright white or grey. But during a total lunar eclipse, the Earth's atmosphere bends and filters sunlight, scattering shorter blue and violet wavelengths and allowing only red and orange light to reach the moon. Think of it like this. If you were standing on the moon during a total lunar eclipse, you'd see a ring of all Earth's sunrises and sunsets glowing around the planet. A total lunar eclipse happens 1 to 3 times per year, but not all eclipses are total. Some are partial, where only part of the moon turns red, and others are penumbral with barely visible dimming. So if you want to witness this rare event, mark your calendar for the next total lunar eclipse near you. Throughout history, many civilizations feared the blood moon and saw it as an omen of war, disaster, or divine intervention. The Mayans believed a jaguar god was devouring the moon. The Incas thought a blood moon meant their gods were angry. In ancient China, people banged drums to scare away the dragon that was supposedly swallowing the moon. Medieval Europeans saw it as a sign of impending doom or war. Even today, some people associate the blood moon with prophecies, believing it signals world-changing events. But don't worry, it's just celestial mechanics at work. Even in modern times, the blood moon is surrounded by mysticism and conspiracy theories. Some religious groups cite the blood moon prophecy, which claims it's a sign of apocalypse or biblical events. From YouTube conspiracy videos to religious prophecies, the blood moon continues to fascinate and frighten people. But scientists agree it's just an incredible natural phenomenon. The best place to watch a blood moon is somewhere dark and open, away from city lights. If you can, head to a park, a mountain, or even your backyard. Just make sure you have a clear view of the sky. Use a long exposure and adjust your camera settings to capture the moon's rich red color. Next time you see a blood moon, remember, you're watching an incredible dance of light and shadow that has fascinated humans for thousands of years. Now that you know the science, myths, and history behind the blood moon, will you be watching the next one? Drop a comment if you've ever seen a blood moon and let us know where you'll be viewing the next eclipse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-blowing space videos. A blood moon can last up to 1 hour and 40 minutes. Astronauts on the moon during an eclipse would see Earth as a glowing red ring. Not all blood moons are the same shade of red. Pollution, volcanic ash, and weather affect the color. The longest recorded total lunar eclipse lasted 1 hour and 47 minutes back in 2018.